What are you gonna do if you wake up with antlers coming out of your head? Imogene had turned into a rare form of miniature elk. Do you know what an elk is? An elk is a large kind of deer. That is one mean-looking school principal. Look at those candles. It's got a bag filled with treats. Nope, those are medicine. That's called a stigmomanometer or something. It's a
sphygmomanometer.
It's for taking your blood pressure. Mrs. Perkins gave Imogene a donut, then decked her out with several more and sent her into the garden to feed the birds. Why is she making donuts to feed the birds? He's bright red, so she can tell where he is, but so can the cat. See the cat? Look out, Cardinal. The dog wants a donut really bad. Look at that poor puppy. He wants a donut. They won't give him one. They gave the donuts to the birds, but they won't feed their dog a donut. He's wrapping her antlers in paper and fabric. Voila, said the milliner. Bravo, bravissimo, cried his assistants. Thud, said Imogene's mother. What if she landed on the cat? Imogene's Antlers by David Small.
The Great Amazing Book Show.